Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project and navigating to the exact frame or frames you want to edit. Pick them now so you don't lose context. Next, select the specific layer, foreground, background, or an onion skin layer, because colors change per layer. Once the layer is active, check lock and opacity settings. Make sure it's unlocked and opacity is adequate for visible edits. Then choose the brush or fill tool to initiate color replacement, and you're ready to recolor. Now you'll refine the new color. Tap the color picker and sample an existing tone if you want harmony, or pick a fresh hue from the wheel. Adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness sliders to match mood or consistency. Once done, set brush size and pressure for clean strokes. If replacing large areas, use fill with tolerance set to avoid spilling into neighboring regions. Make sure brush smoothing and onion skin are off or on as needed for consistent frame-to-frame color. Finish by reviewing frames and playback to confirm color consistency across the sequence. Export a short preview GIF or MP4 so you see motion and how shades read. If edges need cleanup, create a clipping layer and erase or redraw without altering originals. You keep edits non-destructive that way. If you encounter color bleeding or spill, undo, reduce fill tolerance, or use the color range with a narrower selection. Then reapply. This fixes most mismatches quickly and preserves your line work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.